So here is how you can decrease the photo size on the iPhone to kilobytes or however low you want to go with it. Let me explain how it works. Subscribe if you're new and we can get started. So at first, it's a great idea to open up the Photos app, and if you have a large image saved in here, you can tap on it like this, and upon swiping up on it, you can see how large it actually is. So if I zoom it in like this, you can see it is 7 megapixels, right? And it's 1.6 megabytes. So the size is 1.6 megabytes, right? And if I want to make this image smaller or any other image smaller, I like to use it or do it through an app. So inside of the App Store, where you download apps, you can look up the Compress Photo app, right? So you can look up like this. You can see Compress Photos. There are going to be like plenty of apps which claim to do the same thing. As you can see, this app with this like blue icon and this like arrows pointing to the image is the one I used in the past and I actually quite like. So this is the one which I would recommend. I'm not affiliated with it, but you can open it up like this. It will likely ask the access to your photos. You have to give it access or at least limit the access if you don't want to give it the full one, and choose only the image which we want to like downscale. So I'm going to click on this image, confirm it, right? I have to close this right here. And if I select the photos to compress, I can only access this one because this is the only one I allowed the app to access. So I'm going to select it, tap on next. And as we've seen, at first, the original size was 1.6 megabytes, which isn't too much, but if we want to make it smaller, we can see that after the compression, it's going to be just 4 kilobytes. You can see that I can bump up the quality slightly, and it's going to be still 4 kilobytes for some reason. If I make it 100%, it's 5 kilobytes, but the photo dimension is like very small, right? So you can see I have to decide how much I want to compress the image. Like, if you keep it at this, it's still going to decrease the size. But yeah, perhaps we don't want to make it go like this where it's going to be very blurry. Instead, we want to, I don't know, I'm just going to randomly select it like this and click on compress. It's going to give me an ad, which is fine, right? Like it's a free app, so I can just wait it out like this, close the ad, and the compression happens. So right now, the photo is saved to my library. So if I move back to my Photos app right here, you can see a new photo has been added, the latest one right here. And if I check it out, you can see that the size is only 374 kilobytes. The image looks kind of the same, really. I cannot really see the difference. If I zoomed in, I've probably noticed that there is smaller resolution, but so far it looks pretty okay. So let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.